Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to block payments on Revolut app. So the first thing that you need to actually do from here is to open the Revolut app, and now you need to scroll down a bit till you find the transactions section. You need to click on see all transactions as seen from here. Click on it, and after that you will be redirected to the transactions section. You need to go to the upcoming section on the right, and after you click on it, now you will see all the upcoming transactions. It is mostly subscriptions that will renew at some point, so you need to just click on the transaction that you want to block, and after that now you need to click on block future payments, and then it will ask you if you want to really block this future payment. You need to click on continue, and that's it. Now you have successfully blocked the transaction. Also, you can click on here on the blocked or inactive payments so you can see the blocked payments. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.